in today's video we're going to learn masculine nouns with ending of is. O pelatis and o mathetis. O pelatis has an accent at the second syllable from the end, and all the masculine nouns with ending of is that have an accent at the second syllable from the end will be declined the same way. So o pelatis, when he's a subject, the customer or the client. Tu pelati, of the customer, of the client. Ton pelati, when the customer or client is an object. Pelati, when we're calling him customer, client. I pelates, the clients, subject. Ton pelaton, of the clients, possessive. Tus pelates, the clients when they are an object. Pelates, when we're calling them. Now let's see o mathetis. O mathetis is a masculine noun. Just one second, I forgot something. As you can see here, the tonus only drops at the possessive of plural. In the rest of the cases, the tonus remains the same. And this is what happens with all the masculine nouns with ending of is, that the accent is at the second syllable from the end. The tonus will only drop in possessive plural. So, ton pelaton, right? Now let's see o mathetis. O mathetis is a masculine noun with ending of is, that the accent is at the end, the same way we conjugate o καθηγητής, o φοιτητής, o χάρτης, and etc. As you can see, the tonus is at the end, so it's not really going to change. There's nowhere else the tonus can drop. So, o mathetis, tu matheti, the student subject, tu matheti, the student possessive, ton matheti, the student as an object, matheti, when we call the student. I mathetes, the students as subject, ton matheton, the students as possessive, tus mathetes, the students as object, and I mathetes. There is no change of tonus at all. Λοιπόν, ας δούμε μερικά παραδείγματα. Let's see a couple of examples. Ο πελάτης είναι πάντα στην ώρα του. The customer is always on time. Του πελάτη, η παραγγελία, the order, του πελάτη, είναι εδώ. The order of the customer is here. Τον πελάτη. Είμαι ευχαριστημένος με τον πελάτη. I am satisfied or happy with the customer. Πελάτη. Ξέχασες την παραγγελία σου. Customer, you forgot your order. Οι πελάτες, when they're plural. Οι πελάτες είναι απαιτητικοί. The customers are demanding. Των πελατών. We can say, μπορούμε να πούμε, οι παραγγελίες, the orders των πελατών of the customers δεν έχουν έρθει ακόμα. They have not arrived yet. Τους πελάτες, when they are an object. Δουλεύουμε με τους πελάτες εδώ και πολλά χρόνια. We work with the customers many years now. Πελάτες, customers. When we call them πελάτες, ξεχάσατε να πληρώσετε. Customers, you forgot to pay. Για πάμε στο μαθητή. Let's go to μαθητής. Ο μαθητής έχει πολύ διάβασμα. The student has a lot of studying, a lot of reading to do. Του μαθητή, of the student. Η εργασία του μαθητή ήταν εξαιρετική. The assignment of the student was exceptional. Τον μαθητή. Τον μαθητή when he's an object. Βοηθάω τον μαθητή. I help the student. Μαθητή, student, πρέπει να διαβάζεις. You have to study. Οι μαθητές, when they're subject. Οι μαθητές δουλεύουν πολύ σκληρά. The students are working very hard. Των μαθητών. Τα πράγματα των μαθητών είναι στην τάξη. The things, the items of the students are in the classroom. Τους μαθητές. When they're an object. Βοηθάμε or δουλεύουμε με τους μαθητές. We working with the students. Μαθητές, when we're calling them. Μαθητές, ξεχάσατε να παραδώσετε την εργασία σας. You forgot to give me your assignments. So that's it for today. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. And if it was, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And next time we're going to start doing the feminine nouns with ending of alpha and ita. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.